up, guys? Awesome Ollie in a video, and today we are making our very own lightning bug.
Woo! Here she is. Gerald, as Ollie named him. We put fairy lights in the bottom, and we put a latex balloon over the end of a bottle. That way it's still semi-transparent. I love the fairy lights in there. And you can just pull the bottom off to shut them off. If you would like to make a firefly along with us, the supplies that you'll need will be an empty water bottle. Water bottle will serve as the body of our lightning bug. Okay, so I added a piece of paper onto the end to give us something to paper mache for the eyes. We also have 2 pieces of cardboard. Those are going to be the wings. So let's cut out the shape of our wings from our cardboard. And then we'll put paper mache over it. Are you ready?
Yep. Hey, you have a hole in your pants. Little. Oh, it's just sod.
Like cut?
Yeah, a little cut. Trying to fix it.
That's probably good. So for our wings, we just cut 2 pieces of rectangular cardboard.
Okay.
I'm going to cut off this yucky part.
Yeah, that's the yucky part. This is the clean part.
Now, we also printed out a picture of lightning bug so that we could reference it as we go.
Yeah.
So the wings make, like this shape. It's almost looks like a sunflower seed, doesn't it?
Oh, it looks like a shovel to me.
A shovel? Oh yeah, that's a good one.
Or a trowel. Look. Yeah, a trowel because it has a line. And a handle which looks like a handle.
You're exactly right. That's excellent. Where'd you learn that word at?
Right here.
Oh, I see. So now we want the ends of the wings to come down to kind of point. Honestly, as a parent, I could have just done this before. I should have, but I was busy trying to get the other stuff prepared.
I want to play with the glue.
We're almost there. So the first color we're going to use is black.
Oh, dang it. I thought you were going to say yellow.
We could use yellow, but I think the first color should be black.
Okay. Or red.
Ooh, red.
Red is my favorite color.
But the black will get us, look at that. These are going to be the wings.
But the black is what?
The black is a good base color because it's so dark. So if we get a nice base of that color, then we can move on to our next colors, and they'll really pop.
Yeah, when we turn the lights off.
Yep.
I wish we had a door when we're trying to get in the kitchen.
Yeah, that would be cool, huh?
Yeah.
Okay, are you ready to
Wait,
use...
oh no, not yet.
Are you ready to use the glue?
Yes. Sure.
Okay, so this is going to be a little bit messy, but that's what makes it fun.
Yeah.
So this is how we do paper mache. We're going to take our fork out of our bowl and put it on our extra plate.
Okay.
We want to take our paper and we're going to dunk it all the way in and get it wet. Now we take our fingers, look, like scissors, and we run. We're draining off all the extra glue. See, then it's wet. And now I'm going to wrap our wings with our black paper.
It feels good.
Does it feel good?
Yeah.
Is it like slimy?
Yeah.
Ooh, almost like slime.
Yeah. Then, holy cow.
Ooh, nice work. Now.
Now we.
Nice work.
I'm sorry.
That's okay, that happens. Hey, I'll take that one. It's not a waste. You can still use it, even if it breaks off. That's the cool thing about paper mache. It doesn't have to be perfect.
Yeah. Or it has to be perfect.
Now, I'm going to put it on our wing.
Okay.
See how I wrapped mine around?
Yep.
You can do it however you like. Does it help if I hold the wing, or would you like to hold it?
You would have to hold it.
Okay. Nice work. Here, I'll put this plate so we can... You just got glue on me, silly.
Oh, I'm sorry. Can I put my hands in the glue?
Sure. If you like that feeling.
I like it. It feels good. In the world, I just pick up something. Oh, it's glue.
Another one. Okay, let's take our hands out. Ooh, Ollie, that's going to be really sticky.
Oh.
So you're going to dunk it in there. You only need to dunk it for a second. If you do it too long, the paper will get weak. And then... Are you going to try it?
Yep.
Okie dokie, artichoke. Nice. That was perfect.
Dunk it and again.
No, please.
I just like the glue.
Well, we're going to redo it again. You're going to do another one. So you can have another chance to dunk it if you'd like. Ah! I tore this one. Okay, please don't play in that. You're going to make a mess.
Oh, crap. Look at my fingers dripping glue. They look like spikes, look.
Yeah, they do. Okay. Okay, I'm not going to ask you again, or you're going to lose your privilege.
Okay.
Get your hands out of the glue. Okay. So this is how it's coming along.
I'm just gonna, is that how the glue goes on the plate? Because I don't.
Okay. Now, I need you to wipe the glue off of this one. Can you help me out?
Oh, yes.
You can still help with that stuff, but don't put your hands directly in the water. And just leave them there, okay? Okay, dude. You need to aim it into the bowl.
Okay.
This is going to be pretty messy.
Yep.
Nice work. Okay.
Sorry.
It's okay. The water makes the paper very, rippable.
Yeah. And look, there's glue dripping.
How'd that get there?
I don't know. I just felt it.
Here, I'll help you.
Thank you. I need that towel like right now. I need. I'm trying to not get wet. Look.
I don't think you're trying to not get wet. You totally got wet. Ollie, what are you doing?
Just wrapping up this.
That's nice. Got some good skills there. Ooh, it's pretty soggy.
Okay, I need the towel like right now.
This torso is just a bag with paper in it to full fit, so the bag will fit in this bigger bottle. And then these are the fairy lights. Just press the button, turn them off. And